Hey Joel, I'm just gonna take a mass steamy shit right now.
Lovely, nice to know. Have fun.
Mate. I will. Joel,
What?
Joel, come in here. Where's my favourite book?
What book?
The toilet book, the one that I read when I do a poo.
Oh, shit.
I know, right? Where'd you put it?
Maybe the robbers took it.
What robbers?
The ones that come in during the night, once or twice a week.
You didn't tell me about this till now.
Yeah, well, I wasn't really that concerned till they took my crisps.
Well, I'm just gonna have to hold it in and go down to the bookshop and pick up a new one and just hope the robbers don't take it next time. Because, I mean, that's just bullshit. Joel?
What?
Joel? Why is my favourite book in the bin?
Oh, that's your toilet book.
Yeah, this one. This one.
Oh, yeah. I didn't really like that book, so I just chucked it.
What? Well, you could have just told me. Ah, you're so easy to catch, Joel.
What's wrong with you?
What do you mean, what's wrong with me? Put my book in the bin.
God, this reminds me of time on that fire truck. And it was on fire, damn it.
You set it on fire.
It's because I was bored.
No, no, no! No!